car.
I'm sorry.
Give me your ID now.
Okay. I'm sorry. Ma'am, I'm sorry. Give me...
On May 4th, 2024, in the city center, police were conducting a routine traffic check after a car nearly caused an accident. Everything seemed normal until a young woman suddenly appeared. As the police officer was standing outside doing his duty, the door of the patrol car suddenly opened. A woman got into the back seat without asking permission, without explaining. She asked, "Can you take me to the bar?" The police officer stood there, dumbfounded,
Why are you
not
in my
understanding
box?
what was happening.
I'm just wondering if you can take me to the bar. I'm of age.
Are you kidding me?
I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
Get out of it. No! Close the door! Both of you get over here now!
Both of you get over here right now. Give me your IDs. What in your mind would make you think that you should get into the back of a cop car?
I'm sorry.
Give me your ID now.
Okay. I'm sorry. Ma'am, I'm sorry.
Give me your ID.
Wait. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm seriously. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It's a senior bar call. I didn't mean to. I was
What in your mind makes you think that you should get into a cop car?
because we wanted to ride to the next bar.
Do I look like a taxi?
No, you don't. I'm sorry. I seriously. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. I'm sorry.
48 headquarters. Can you make me a separate incident? I've got 2 Ohio DLs when you're ready. You're clear. Both of you stand right here with him.
I'm so
Do not
sorry.
go anywhere. Stand right there with him. Do not go anywhere. So I made a traffic stop. Basically, this lady almost hit me trying to pull out. So I walked up to her car. I had my car parked here. And as I was talking to her, that girl had the audacity to get into the backseat of my car and was sitting in the backseat of my car when I came back around this car to my car.
One of those girls?
Yeah.
Is she drunk?
She just said, so she's over 21. She's like, "Oh, I need you to drive me to the bar." What can I cite her with?
Criminal mischief, and she can go to jail. If she wants to sit in the car, she can take a ride.
Okay,
to jail.
perfect.
Criminal mischief, I'm good with that.
Okay,
You
yeah.
can't just sit.
I
with your
literally-
lights and sirens
Yeah,
on.
my lights were on. I was in the middle of the stop.
I would do criminal mischief, and you could do a disorderly conduct with an M4 while dealing with well, I would look it up. I'll look it up real quick.
Yeah, I
but it's
literally
like while
got,
you're dealing
so
with
her
an
friend was
emergency.
standing next to my car and I was like, "What is she doing?" And I was like, "Okay, maybe this car is hers. She's trying to back out." So I got in my car and got ready to move. And she was sitting in the backseat of my car and said, "Hey, can you give me a ride to the bar?" And I literally said, "Are you kidding me?"
Yeah.
And then I told him, "Get out of the car," and I walked around.
Yeah. So traffic stop already left. I take it.
Yeah, so basically I was in a terrible position.
Yeah.
So I was standing right here trying to explain to her, "Hey, you either have to exit this way or this way. You can't exit this way. You almost just caused an accident when I was trying to come in here because you tried to proceed out the
Oh,
wrong
okay.
way."
Yeah.
And so I was trying to explain to her where she's allowed to exit at. And I pointed out that there's a very clear, do not enter right there. And I was explaining her ticket to her. And so basically I'm in a bad spot and I couldn't see my car while I was standing here talking to her. So
Right.
I should have locked my car. Definitely my fault. But
That is not your fault at all. Yeah, I'm good with that. I mean, at least criminal mischief for messing with our cruiser. But I'll look at that DC too, because I think it would be a DC. Something to do with it's a DC during an emergency, but I'd have to see if it fits.
okay. And I could take her to jail for criminal mischief.
Yeah, it's an F4. I believe it's an F4. Of course. I mean, I'm good with that.
I just am mind blown right
Yeah,
now.
that's crazy.
Absolutely mind blown. Yeah, so I had my camera on the corner to pull in here, and she pulled out and tried to pull out and almost hit me. And I turned on my lights, and I was like, "Back up. You have to back up." And then she
Yeah.
tried to keep pulling forward out to exit, and I hit my horn, and I was like, "You have to back up." And so that's why I just left the car here. I wasn't sure because she backed up into this spot, so I wasn't sure where to park. For the
Right. No.
traffic
That's
stop.
I mean, you did what you had to. Yeah, it's at least an M3. I'll look it up because I feel like there's more to it when when a vehicle's
I
involved.
mean,
So
I'm just-
I say we just look at put her in handcuffs, put her in the back. And,
You got it.
you know, we can start looking at exactly what subsection of the charge.
Okay.
So,
All right. So what's your last name?
Allied.
Okay. I'm gonna hand this back to you. Okay. Go ahead and hand me your purse.
Absolutely.
Go ahead and turn around and face the car. Put your
Are
hands
you
up on the side of the
arresting
car. I sure am. Put your hands up on the car.
Wait, I'm sorry. I didn't know getting in a cop car was illegal. I had no idea.
cop car while the lights are on,
I'm
while
sorry.
they're trying to do their official job.
I had no idea.
You think you can just get into the back of a cop car, mess with our stuff? Excuse why you think that would be okay.
You wanted to ride in the back of the cop car? You will get your wish. Turn around, face that way.
Yeah, students. Full from up. You have her phone or anything, or is this all her stuff?
That's her stuff.
Okay. You guys live on campus, or
We were walking home and we live right
doing a
around.
little day drinking and drank a little too much and thought it'd be a good idea to get my cop car, I guess. Okay.
Not.
Are you gonna be okay to get home all right? Do you
I'll
want?
be fine. Yeah,
Okay.
I
We can
can-
give you a ride if you ask us and talk to us, right? Like, so because of the
no, I
situation, like
totally
if
understand.
you're
But giving you a ride home is a lot different than you jumping in my car and asking for a ride to
No,
a bar.
well, my biggest concern as a supervisor is she was on a traffic stop in the performance of her duties, and now she has somebody in her car when she's trying to do her official duty. So. And then maybe you could kind of help for tomorrow, whatever, you know, like, since I'm sure she's pretty up.
I also need a new fire extinguisher when you get bored. Okay, I'll just lodge her on the.
Fire called you out over the radio, said that you were PD's putting it out now.
Give him a best effort.
So good job. All right.
I'll take her for the criminal mischief and then see if I can. If you want to look.
I'll look real quick and see
Okay.
if there's any higher charge because of what you're involved in. So
Right.
You know, I'll just let you know. I'll look it up real quick.
Okay. All right.
So you can go at least get this ticket started.
Okay. I'll take her that way.
Okay.
Are you good on this call?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay.
Yep.
Sorry, I was en route to you.
Absolutely fine.
All right.
You good.
Any questions for me?
I don't.
Okay.
I fully understand. Respect.
I would appreciate that.
Okay. All right. Please be safe.
I guess the only question I have, I want to make sure she's okay. Are you guys heading? Where are you heading?
You will not be able to pick her up. She's going to get booked in there. I can't tell you what the bond out information is at this
Okay.
time. 48 headquarters. I've got the dispo for that traffic stop.
Go ahead with that.
That female is going to be 400 for traffic control device. Wrong way out of City Lot 2. She's a code 12. Mm, 48 headquarters. I'm going to have Isabelle Awad on board. She's going to be en route to the Justice Center. If you can make me a commitment for criminal mischief.
Okay.
Headquarters, I've got those starting miles when you're ready.
Go ahead.
44.0. 44.0.
Headquarters, operation 5. Ma'am. Yeah. I just want to say I'm sorry. I don't know. I didn't mean for this to be like this. Honestly, I didn't know. I know.
I mean, you just made a really bad decision. I don't know what.
During the
in your
escort,
thought
Isabelle
process
began to cry
made
and
you think that you
apologize,
should get into the back
saying
of
that
my
she
car
really thought the
when
police
I
might
had my
give her a
emergency
ride.
lights on and asked
The
me
police
for a
simply
ride to a
replied,
bar.
"You can tell that to the judge on
honestly,
Monday."
I thought
She
that
could tell the judge
people
on
could
Monday.
give rides
The
to
case
people,
ended with a
and I
clear
guess I
lesson.
didn't know better
A police
at
car is not a
first, and I had
taxi.
no idea that this
Any
would happen,
interference or
and
use of a
I
police
apologize
vehicle could
sincerely,
result in
and
criminal prosecution, even if it
I'm
was
gonna
just
get
a
this in, and
drunken
I'm not trying
prank.
to make a
Share your
huge
thoughts
shit out of
below,
it,
and don't forget to
I'm
like and
sorry.
subscribe.
I had no idea.
Okay. Well, you can talk to the judge about it on Monday.